by Amy Ross. Why is stainless steel used frequently in construction? Well, because of its high resistance to corrosion and oxidation. The chromium alloying component of steel is what makes it resistant to corrosion. And corrosion is damage to the materials, which leave it weakened and eventually inoperable. That's basically the rest that you see. The magnesium and nickel component of steel is what gives it its toughness and makes it strong. Stainless steel can also resist very hot and cold temperatures without the steel chemical composition altering in any way, which is a strong advantage that steel possesses. With those strong characteristics always present in steel, it makes steel a very dependable product to use in construction. What type of applications can steel be applied to? Just about everything from nails, roof, frame, handrails, rebar, and because of its flexibility, steel can be shaped into gutters as well. And windows, trim, curtain walls, and exterior to buildings that are near volcanic activity. A major factor that comes into play when selecting the type of steel needed is the grade of the steel. The International Molybdenum Association has produced a classifying method of which grade to use in different environments. It's over 60 types. The grades all fit into a 5-class system that makes them easily identifiable. The higher the grade, the more durable and corrosion resistant. 60 to 90% of all steel products content contains steel that is recycled. That helps with keeping up with the worldwide trend of using green materials in construction. Stainless steel is 100% recyclable. When you're looking at the Empire State Building, the vertical columns in front of the facade are made of stainless steel. Another famous building that uses steel in their construction is the Chrysler Building, on the outside as well as the inside of the doors and entrance lobby. Stainless steel costs a lot of money, more, which is an unfortunate disadvantage. Because steel costs more than other construction materials, it's avoided in some projects because of the price. There are negative unintended consequences as well. For instance, if you want stainless steel, you will have to pay lots and lots of money to get it. And also, in 2002, President Bush decided to impose a tariff on certain steel products being imported in the United States, such as stainless steel, bar, rod, slab, and wire, just to name a few products. Thousands of Americans unexpectedly lost their jobs in every state, but the largest were affected was Florida, Texas, New York, Illinois, Michigan, just to name a few. Unfortunately, many United States businesses that use stainless steel products had to start outsourcing steel production from other countries. This outsourcing occurred because the steel that was being produced in the United States was becoming unreliable and extremely expensive. And another unintended consequence is that some housing materials, when paired together, destroy each other over time. For example, chemically treated lumber has been the cause of severe corrosion of stainless steel connectors that are in use, especially those placed in the footings. In conclusion, stainless steel has been used in the construction industry since the 1920s, and it remains strong now. All we have to do is get price under control. You see stainless steel in almost everyday living materials, and we take it for granted. I will definitely be using stainless steel in the majority of my construction projects in the future.